Hey guys, it's Rhonda, and we are inside of Artistly today. I want to show you one of the newer features they have in here for us. It is a cookbook creator. All right. So we're going to get started. And just, so we're clear, I have not done any market research on this. I don't know how much demand there is for it. If you decide you want to create products like this, please make sure you do your due diligence and do some research. See if this is something that there is a demand for. I am just showing you this new feature. So in case you do want to do something with it, you know it's here and you know how to use it. So here we are in Artistly, and I'm going to choose our Fast AI Image Designer, and our cookbook creator is under AI design agents. And I'm going to pop in here and I'm going to show it to you real quick. But there is something you need to do before you start creating your cookbook. All right. So inside of AI design agents, just select cookbook creator. And in here is where you enter all your information. But you see there's space here for your cover page and stuff. So you need to create those, or if you've created them in another platform, you need to upload them here. All right. So I've already done that. I've already created my images for this. So we're just going to come up here and I have a choice. I can have AI select my recipes, or I can add my own recipes. I'm going to let AI do this for me. And I do have my prompts over here for my cover photos and my book titles. So I'm going to grab my title here and I'm going to paste that right here. And our recipe ideas are high protein, simple recipes. Okay. And let's do 10 recipes. I mean, you can do up to, I believe, 32, but we're just going to do 10 for this video. And our target audience is, you have a choice: home cook, kid friendly, professional, or easy prep for seniors. So I like that option too. I do think for this one, we're just going to go with your standard home cook. And our measurement system, we're going to select both metric and imperial. That way it, is available for people who use the metric and people who use the imperial. And then you can choose your headline color, your subheadline color, and next are your pages. And I'm just going to go to the library and I am going to grab my high protein made simple for the front cover, and I am going to grab pretty much the same one for the back. Now, I would normally, if I was going to sell this, I would make that ending page probably more of a promotional style page with information on, where they could go to get more cookbooks and things like that. But for this, I'm just using the same images. And now you just come down here and click Generate Cookbook. Now, this does take a few minutes, typically between 5 and 10 minutes for your book to be completed. So we're going to give it a couple minutes and then come back. Alrighty, so our book is ready. So we can click on Read and it will bring up the flip book version where people can look at it online, and it'll go through and give you all the recipes that you chose. So this is pretty cool that it, created the recipes for us. It created the images to go with them. It includes the ingredients, the prep time, and the preparation instructions. So this is pretty neat if you want to do something like that. You can download it and save it as a PDF. That way you can sell it as a download, if you want to sell it and just do it that way. Let me open that up here. And here it is as a PDF that people can download and get the recipes that way. They can save them and open them as needed. So that's another option, which is really nice. If you are a KDP seller, a Kindle Direct Publishing, you can download your KDP manuscript, which means this is all formatted just the way that Amazon KDP wants them to be formatted. So this is just a really, really cool little feature. We'll come back in here, and along with the cookbook creator, there's also a joke book creator. Now, again, I have not done the research, okay? I'm just showing you these new features here in Artistly. If you want to consider creating recipe books or joke books, please do the market research before you create a bunch of these, and just do your due diligence, all right? So I am going to do, the theme is funny dad jokes, yeah, funny dad jokes. And again, over here, I had made this again. So I have the title, Why Did the Chicken Go to School? Just as a title for a joke book. And we can let's do 20 pages, and let's choose our image for our cover. And we have that one there. Let's look here. I guess it only gave it. Oh, here we go. Why did the chicken go to school? We'll use that. And that is our cover page, and we will hit generate joke book. Okay. So again, this will probably take about 5-6 minutes to complete. So I'm going to pause this, and we'll be back as soon as it's done. Alrighty, and now our joke book is done. So let's open this up and take a look at what we have. Now, remember, we just added for, simple dad jokes. So I'm going to expect a bunch of, one-liners in here. Okay, it says try not to laugh challenge. What kind of tea is hard to swallow? Reality. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. Okay, yep, these are definitely simple one-line dad joke kind of jokes. And we've got 2 to each page, so we've got quite a few in here. I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. Did you hear about the circus fire? The tension was intense. What musical instrument is found in the bathroom? A tuba toothpaste. Oh my. Some of these are definitely dad jokes for sure. So this is really cute. Now, even if you don't want to sell these things so much, you could give them away as freebies. If you are trying to entice people to sign up for your mailing list, you might put together a recipe book or a joke book, and, you could offer it as a free download and, get people into your mailing list that way. It all depends on what your business is focused on. Okay. You're not going to offer a recipe book if your business has absolutely nothing to do with cooking, or, you're not going to offer joke books. You just have to, think about what your business is and if either one of these items would pair well with it. All right. I did just want to show you that, though, that we have these features in here now, which is really pretty cool. That we do have storybooks here. So I am going to play with some of these a little bit and see if I can't come up with a way that we can use them. These are basically kids' storybooks, but I'm wondering if we can't turn them into something a little bit more useful for, adults. Maybe some PDF guides or something like that, could be used as a freebie offer or something similar. So I will do some research in here and playing around with some of these other features, and I'll see what I can come up with. But for now, that is the cookbook creator and the joke book creator. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll answer you as soon as I can. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.